Hey there traders, it's Ben Nathan here from Forexmentor Live and I'm your Chief Mentor. Now, I wanted to show you a couple of trade examples. Now, rather than do a trade example for last week or trade examples over the months that have passed, I wanted to reflect on actually something a little bit more current and up to date and show a couple of examples from today. So that's the 10th of June 2014, 2 live trade alerts that went out today. Now, the idea behind these live trade alerts is so that you can be notified when there's opportunities, and then you can log on to the members area, have a little look at videos covering those opportunities, and eventually become consistent and profitable and show similar results to what I show on my client accounts on a month-by-month basis. So as you can see, we all came close to 3,000 pips for last year. This year we're on the way to doing a very similar figure, all being well. And the most important thing is our average risk is just 0.3% per trade or less than 10 pips. So that's the important thing there. So let's go over to those trade alerts. As you can see, the important thing to know is they came through to everybody's inbox at 8:22 a.m. this morning. And there were two setups. There's a euro dollar and the dollar Swiss. Now both of these setups could be viewed in a video presentation. That's the London presentation in the members area. But just to give you a quick idea, we called the euro dollar going short at 1.35855. And then the other trade alert, and again this is the exact same format as you'll see them come through yourself, was to go long on the dollar Swiss at 0.89750. So again, we don't sort of look at past opportunities and show you how they would have been traded. We tell you how to trade them before they happen. I can't emphasize that enough. And to highlight this, let's have a look at the charts. Now, as you can see, the euro dollar, if we mark out when the trade alert came through, so here's the 8:15 candle, and then here's the entry point, 1.35856 as per the trade alert. That trade didn't trigger for a couple of hours after it went out. So we're highlighting these setups way ahead of time to make sure you've got ample opportunity to be able to capture those trades and not miss them. And as you can see here in the euro dollar, a couple of hours later we had that massive drop down and we caught plenty of pips on the way down from that. Now onto the dollar Swiss as well. Again, we caught that trade an hour or two before the move happened, and we caught that move up and took pips from it. Okay, so we send these trade alerts out before the matter or before the fact happens. Okay, so we'll never just send you a trade alert or try and highlight something that's happened if we're not going to trade it ourselves. All of these trade alerts in the live trading room, I set up orders for those trade alerts on my own and on client accounts live for you all to see, so you can trade with confidence knowing that they're trades I'm taking myself. So let's just take a little look at what happened with those trades then overall. So I'm just on my Twitter feed now. With the Twitter feed, you get daily Forex tips throughout the day, highlighting out any good trades to be looking for, and also letting you know about any trades I've taken and closed myself. And as you can see, the euro we closed for 38 pips, the dollar Swiss we closed for 23 pips, and in the end we had a nice profitable day at 62 pips, meaning we can finish nice and early and enjoy the sun. Okay, so that's the live trade alerts, a couple of live examples for you. Head over to forexmentor.com/live now. Have a little look for yourself at our performance page. Now, all of the results you'll see on the performance page are trades that have been called live in the room and that have been taken by myself and our members. Okay, good thing is as well, click on any equity curve and straight away that'll download the trade tracker where you can have a little bit of a closer look at the strategy performance, including the risk-reward ratio, average risk, etc, etc. So take a look now, guys. If there's any questions, let me know. It's Ben Nathan at forexmentor.com. Otherwise, I look forward to trading with you live in the room. You can sign up now and receive trade alerts straight away. You can also have access to a full video course outlining the methods I use on my own and client accounts. Look forward to seeing you all there.